What kind of animal is born both male and female, and quietly keeps the soil alive beneath our feet? The answer is not dramatic. It does not roar or fly. It lives hidden, yet without it, entire ecosystems would weaken. This is the earthworm, one of nature's most overlooked engineers. Beneath our feet lies a hidden world, dark, moist, and alive with silent activity. Here, grains of sand, decaying leaves, and pebbles form a labyrinth, while water clings to every surface. In this realm, transformation is constant. The end of one life sparks the beginning of another. From the depths, a subtle movement begins. A pointed tip emerges, glistening against the soil. The earthworm, blind and deaf, navigates this underground maze with ancient instinct. Its prostomium, a sensory organ, probes the soil, tasting for decaying matter. The worm's emergence signals a shift above, yet it remains just below the surface, a hidden force. As it moves, the soil parts willingly. The worm eases through crevices, expanding them with gentle contractions. Its segmented body slides forward in a wave, each section pulling the next. This is not a struggle, but a partnership with the earth, a silent testament to the power of persistence. The worm is both resident and creator, shaping the ground with every movement. The earthworm's body is a marvel of simple design, perfectly suited for life underground. Its segmented muscular rings, annuli, enable it to bend and stretch through tight tunnels. Inside, a straightforward digestive tract extracts nutrients from soil and organic matter, expelling the rest as enriched castings. Lacking lungs, it breathes through its moist skin. If it dries out, it cannot survive. A primitive brain and simple nerves let it sense light and vibrations, helping it avoid danger. Its 5 pairs of aortic arches pump blood, delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout its body. The worm's reddish-brown color comes from hemoglobin, just like in our blood. This minimalist system is robust, built for slow, deliberate effort in the dark. Every feature serves a purpose, making the earthworm a master of its subterranean world. In this darkness, simplicity is survival. The earthworm's movement is a slow ballet of muscle and friction. Tiny bristles called setae anchor its segments, letting it push and pull through soil. It contracts its muscles to extend forward, then pulls its rear along in a wave. When soil is compact, it simply eats its way through, grinding material in its gizzard. Rain is both a risk and an opportunity. Flooded tunnels force worms to the surface, exposing them to danger but allowing them to breathe. During drought or cold, the worm retreats deep underground, entering dormancy in a mucus-sealed chamber. This resilience lets it survive extremes, waiting patiently for better conditions. The worm's adaptability is its greatest strength. It is both a survivor and an engineer, shaping the earth as it moves. Every tunnel is a testament to its quiet persistence. The earthworm's anatomy is a triumph of evolutionary simplicity. Its flexible, hydrostatic skeleton, a fluid-filled tube, lets it squeeze through the tightest spaces. Each segment is semi-independent, with its own muscles and nerves, making the worm remarkably resilient. If attacked, it can survive losing its tail and even regenerate lost segments. Its thin, permeable skin must stay moist, so it secretes mucus for lubrication and protection. This slimy coating reduces friction, aids breathing, and guards against microbes. The worm's simple body plan allows it to thrive in nearly every habitat except deserts and polar regions. It is a generalist, equipped for survival in diverse environments. Evolution has favored function over complexity, making the earthworm a quiet success story. Its design is proof that simplicity can conquer the depths. The earthworm carries a remarkable secret. Each is both male and female. As hermaphrodites, they possess both sperm and eggs, doubling their chances of reproduction. In the darkness, finding a mate is rare, but any encounter can lead to new life. Despite this duality, self-fertilization isn't possible. Cross-fertilization ensures genetic diversity. This strategy strengthens the species, making it adaptable and resilient. The clitellum, a thick band on the worm's body, signals sexual maturity and plays a key role in reproduction. It secretes mucus during mating and forms the cocoon for developing eggs. Every worm is ready to participate in the dance of creation. This dual nature is a masterstroke of evolution, ensuring survival in a solitary world. The earthworm's legacy begins with this simple, ingenious adaptation. When two earthworms meet, they align head to tail, exchanging sperm in a shared mucus sheath. This embrace can last hours, ensuring a secure transfer of genetic material. Afterward, each worm carries its partner's sperm, ready for the next stage. Days later, the clitellum secretes a tough mucus ring. As the worm backs out, it deposits eggs and then sperm, fertilizing them externally. The mucus band seals into a tiny cocoon, camouflaged in the soil. Inside, fertilized eggs develop, hatching into miniature worms after weeks or months. These young emerge ready to tunnel and enrich the earth, continuing the cycle. The process is efficient, safe, and perfectly adapted to life underground. Each cocoon is a vessel of new life, hidden but vital. The dance of creation is slow, silent, and endlessly repeated beneath our feet. Earthworms are nature's engineers, tirelessly tunneling and transforming the soil. Their burrows aerate the ground, letting air and water reach plant roots and other organisms. These tunnels reduce erosion and help soil retain moisture during dry spells. As they feed, worms drag organic matter underground, mixing it with mineral-rich subsoil. This churning, bioturbation, creates fertile, uniform soil for plants. Their castings, visible as small soil piles, are super fertilizer, rich in nutrients made available by digestion. In a healthy ecosystem, earthworms process tons of soil per acre each year. Their presence signals a thriving environment. By improving structure, drainage, and fertility, they lay the foundation for plant growth. From forests to gardens, plants depend on these silent gardeners. The earthworm's work is invisible, but essential. They are the foundation of soil fertility, cultivating the land from below. The earthworm's impact reaches far beyond gardens. It is vital to entire ecosystems. In forests, worms break down leaf litter, unlocking nutrients for plants and speeding up decomposition. They work alongside bacteria and fungi, shredding organic matter and making nutrients more accessible. Earthworms are also a key food source for birds, moles, shrews, and many others, supporting complex food webs. Their abundance directly affects the health of predators and the ecosystem as a whole. Over millennia, their activity has created the rich topsoil that sustains terrestrial life. Their burrows provide structure, their castings add nutrients, and their movement aerates the earth. Earthworms are not just inhabitants, they are architects and custodians of the soil. Their legacy is the fertility that supports all life on land. The humble worm is a cornerstone of the living world. As evening falls, the earthworm senses the fading warmth and retreats underground. Its pointed head finds a burrow, and with practiced contractions it slips beneath the surface. The last glimpse of its body vanishes, leaving no trace in the quiet soil. Above, the land appears still, but below, life continues in a network of tunnels. The worm resumes its endless work, consuming, tunneling, enriching. It is one of millions, each a silent force maintaining the planet's fertility. The cycle never ends. As night falls, the gardeners of the dark are at work. Their labor is unseen but vital, sustaining the world from below. The humble earthworm is a true guardian of life, its rhythm echoing in the soil. In darkness, it shapes the world for all who live above. The story of life begins and ends with the silent work beneath our feet. This has been the animal born both male and female, Earthworms Explained. Thank you for watching.